my renovators, again, welcome to my page and also my YouTube channel. So just check the description below. So for this episode, renovation materials 101 pa rin tayo. So episode number 6, all about wallpaper. So hopefully tapusin itong video na to at kahit paano matutunan kayo about wallpaper. Let's go! I will just define first what is a wallpaper according to Wikipedia. So wallpaper is used in interior decoration to cover the interior walls of domestic and public buildings. So meaning ang wallpaper is an alternative for paint finish for walls. So sometimes ang mga clients natin prefer na may wallpaper since may design siya tsaka pattern. Para mo sa paint finish, of course, na plain lang. So, kanya-kanya naman tayo ng mga preference. So, other clients naman, much prefer nila yung may design or pattern. So, here, I will just show you sample na ginagawa namin sa Monarch Park Suites Condo Corp sa may Parañaque City. So, ito, papakita ko yung mga pictures namin. So, ito yung mga wallpapers na imported pa siya galing sa China na kinabit namin sa may lobby area. So, ang pinakapandikit nga pala ng mga wallpaper is tinatawag na Stickwell wood glue. I'll just also give the description below. So, what are the pros of using a wallpaper? So, pros number 1 of using a wallpaper is less works siya kasi madali siyang install. Kumbaga, kung may contractor kayo yung schedule na arawan, imbis na pagpipintura at prepare ng wall finish, kumbaga salpak na lang siya. Mas less talaga ang cost or schedule ng work pag magkakabit ng wallpaper kumpara mo sa paints. Kasi kung tutuusin, hindi ka naman pag nagpipintura ka, hindi naman basta pintura lang eh. So mostly may ano pa yan, preparation, surface preparation. Di katulad ng wallpaper, need pa rin ng surface preparation, pero after na nun is kumbaga salpak mo na agad. So number 2, post ng pinaka wallpaper, of course, aesthetic design. Maganda talaga siya. Kumbaga may mga patterns at napakadaming patterns. Especially just check the Pinterest or kumbaga is i-double check nyo yung mga gusto nyong pattern or parang design ng wallpaper nyo. So ayun, I'll just also give some reference kung saan namin kinuha yung pinaka wallpaper. Ang pinaka cons naman ng wallpaper, pag kinabit mo siya ng basta-basta at wala man lang surface preparation, kumbaga papakinisin natin or smooth edging ng pinaka wall finish or yung kung kahoy ang kakabitan nyo or na wall, na drywall, is dapat talaga is ano siya, flat, smooth surface. Ang pinaka-cons, pag hindi nyo ginawa yun at kinabit nyo lang, minsan may tendency lumobo ang wallpaper. Of course, pag hindi smooth ang surface at hindi pantay yung wall, may tendency lumobo yung wallpaper kasi of course, papasok ng hangin. Kumbaga, hindi nyo pinipin na maayos eh. Kumbaga, may hangin na papasok dun sa hindi maayos na pagkaka smoothing or na edge ng wallpaper. So yun, number 2 na cons ng wallpaper naman is medyo pro siya sa dirt. So lalo na kung may wallpaper kayo na ikakabit na medyo may profile, kumbaga may edge siya or nasa gitna, mostly kakapitan ng dumi yan eh. Parang fruit panel na may design at profile. So mostly kinakapitan ng dumi yan. So ayun, renovators, hopefully ito mga konting tips na ito nakatulong sa inyo kung gusto niyo mag-purchase ng wallpaper. So ayun, renovators, Again, see you. Bye.